Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about something that can really elevate your communication skills: vocabulary. Whether you're a writer, a student, or someone who just wants to sound more impressive, having a strong vocabulary is key. But don't worry, even if you feel like your word bank is stuck on said and like, there are ways to expand it and express yourself more effectively. So, let's dive into some tips and tricks. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Tip number 1. Read voraciously. This one might seem obvious, but it's true. Reading exposes you to a vast array of words and how they're used in context. It doesn't just have to be classic literature. Pick up anything that interests you, from news articles to blogs to graphic novels. The more you read, the more your brain absorbs new vocabulary naturally. Tip number 2. Embrace the dictionary. Don't underestimate the power of a good dictionary. Look up words you don't understand, but also explore synonyms and antonyms for words you already know. This will help you build a deeper understanding of their nuances and increase your options when expressing yourself. Tip number 3. Play with words. Make learning fun. Try word games like crosswords, Scrabble, or Boggle. There are also many online quizzes and apps that can challenge you in a playful way. Tip number 4. Use flashcards effectively. Flashcards can be a great tool, but don't just write down the word and definition. Use them in sentences. Try drawing connections to similar words, and even record yourself saying them out loud. This multi-sensory approach will help you retain information better. Tip number 5. Talk to people who use rich vocabulary. Surround yourself with people who communicate effectively. Pay attention to how they use words and try to incorporate some of their vocabulary into your own speech. Don't be afraid to ask them about interesting words you hear. Tip number 6. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The most important thing is to embrace the learning process. It's okay to stumble over a word or use it incorrectly sometimes. The key is to learn from your mistakes and keep trying. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.